Yeah, I'd like to give a quick demonstration for a female voice as well, if at all possible. So, for example, most of us ladies can sing down to E and maybe a little bit lower, mezzo-sopranos. If I try and push my volume, I'm going into bear growl, overdrive, vocal fry, whatever you call it, and it doesn't sound nice. So, but you need this amount of volume up top, or in falsetto, fairly quiet sound, but if we need to put a bit more power behind it, just contract your core. And there you go, big mouth.
Guys, we'll see you singing hopefully up on stage. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below or get in contact with us on any social media and we'll be sure to get back to any of your questions. If we think the question is a ripper, we will make a video for you. Signing off. Thanks, Sam. High five.
Woo!
See you guys.
Talk soon.
Bye-bye.